First, I'm going to start off here on my indexing station, where I will call a laminate rack to me. It'll come towards me as the operator. I will be pulling the backer off and away from the laminate rack. The laminate rack will go back on its own. I will set that backer in place with these indexing guides here. I'll be coming forward with a carriage that will catch the panel. If you notice in front of me here, I do have a push button here that will call for that feeder. And once I push it, that panel will come towards me. It's going through a panel cleaner right now where it is cleaning on top and bottom of the sides of the panel. And it is going through a 775 glue spreader. Again, gluing on the top and bottom. You notice this grooving. It is applying an even amount of glue to the top and bottom of the panel. The operator will be pushing this panel forward. I'll be using the soft drop to help that panel index a little bit better for the operator. This clamp here, pull it forward. I'm calling for that laminate rack again to bring me this piece of laminate. Again, I'll use these indexing guides to help me guide this laminate on top of the glued panel. Looks good. I will now use my conveyor, start it. You can go in a faster speed if needed. Laminated panel is going through our panel express now, where it is giving it heat and pressure at the same time to essentially zap that water out of the glue so you're left with high solids. Me as an operator, I am done with this process. On this other side here is a panel assist stacker that will stack that panel accordingly, so you do not need to have an operator in the outfeed system of this. For me, right now, I am ready to call for the next board. It is now being part on our panel assist stacker, where it eliminates an operator from stacking the system for you. It'll center that panel on top of the scissors lift, let go, and it'll retract to be ready to catch for another panel.